Good morning, Freddie. Oopsie daisies. That's why I said to keep your bib on.
Good morning, everybody. Well, it is Wednesday the 2nd of May and I'm feeling very summery. Or not? I mean, can we just check the weather out here? Okay. So I got up this morning. It was a bit dull. Then I realised it was windy. Okay, fair enough. You know, we've dealt with a lot of wind recently, as you all know. And then, now it's had the cheek to start raining. For goodness sake, come on, weather. It's supposed to be nearly summer. Like, this is spring. I know we don't want the rain, don't we not, Freddie? Say no. No. Yeah, that's right. We do not want it to keep raining. So, please, weather, please do something about it. So, as it's Wednesday, yeah. There's a white car. Somebody's just pulled up in front. So, as it's Wednesday, we are going to... Where we're going, Freddie? Baba's! I promise you, he is excited about it. Yeah, we're going to go to playgroup this morning. Freddie's going to have a play. I believe that one of my friends is coming with her little girl, but I'm not going to say who it is just in case she doesn't come because I don't want Freddie to end up disappointed. But I think she's coming this morning. You see, I said yesterday about the weather. I don't believe that the weather's going to get any better towards the weekend. But, you know, I keep my fingers crossed. You never know. I don't think Jason's going to be back the weekend anyway. I think he is going to do overtime. But we'll just see what happens. It would be nice to have a little bit of nice weather for the weekend. So we're going to get ourselves inside now, and Freddie's going to have a play with all of his friends. I got you.
Hello. Yeah. So Freddie has been to the toddler group when he's brought Mummy a daffodil. That's lovely. Should we go and take it inside? Oh, thank you. Is it for Mummy? Thank you, Freddie. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Freddie's given that to me. Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you. So we've just gotten back from toddler group this morning. Freddie had a lovely time, and my friend did come along with her daughter, so they had a play together, which was lovely to see. So I've got a few things to do, usual bits and pieces, got some washing to do. Well, no, I've already done the dishwasher this morning. Bit of tidying. It's just so cold and windy today. Like, it's like winter. So we're just going to spend some time chilling this afternoon. Get some big toys out and stuff. And I'm going to get on with a little bit of housework. Might as well get it done while the weather's not too good. What you got?
No.
You've got...
No.
Well, what's in your cup?
No. This.
What's in your cup?
No.
There's plenty in. What have you got?
No.
Freddie, have you got chocolate milk? Let's have a look. You've got some of that in, have you? Some chocolate milk.
No.
Yeah, put some milk in, didn't you? Wow. Freddie, do you like it? Does Freddie like the chocolate chocolate milk?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll put another one on. Oh, can you wait? Can you cope? Oh, the suspense. Is there any more blocks? Oh, there's another one on. Oh my goodness me! Oh, it's gone. Yeah, clever boy. Is that good? Wow. Go on then. Wow. Go on then. That is so good, Freddie. Freddie, that's really good. What are you drawing?
No. A mama.
You're drawing Lara.
Eggs.
Wow. That is so cool. Wow, Freddie, that's amazing. So what are you drawing there?
Eggs. Egg.
What?
Egg.
Wow, that is so good, Freddie. Well done. Is it ta-da? Yay! Are you all finished? Nearly finished? Guess what? Wow. Guess what, Freddie? Wow. Was it was that a dinosaur? Let me see. Ah, see. Very good. Freddie, guess what? We're going to go get Madeline soon. Freddie, we'll go get your sister.
Good afternoon, everybody. Right, so I've been getting a few jobs done in the house. Yeah, your juice is all gone. Thank you. So I've been getting a few jobs done in the house this afternoon. It's getting on quite well. Started decluttering. I've got a bag of things here that I want to take to the charity shop. Now, Madeline messaged me earlier just to say that she's still not feeling her best. She was supposed to have rehearsal after school for Guys and Dolls, but she just asked if I'll just go and pick her straight from school, which is fair enough. She's probably still lacking in a bit of energy after this bug. So I'm going to go and pick her up from school, and then I'm just going to use that little bit extra time. I'm going to nip into the town centre, and I'm going to nip into the town centre and drop off the bag of items that I've got for the charity shop. And I believe Madeline did need some makeup, so we'll go and get that as well. So we're going to head down now and pick Madeline up from school. Freddie back there decided that he wouldn't have a little sleep this afternoon, although he did have a little rest on the sofa. So Freddie's really grumpy. So he's probably going to be grumpy for the rest of the day. Oh well, I'd rather he didn't go to sleep now, to be honest. The later he goes to sleep means the later he goes to bed later on. So we might as well just try and keep him going now. But as you can hear, he's not very happy. Should we go and get Madeline from school? Yeah, we're going to go and pick Madeline up right now. So I've just been to pick Madeline up from school, and Madeline is unfortunately really not feeling very well. Are you? No. So we are just going to go straight home. But I've just got to quickly nip in the shop and get some eggs. But yeah, poor Madeline's really still not feeling very well. She hasn't been sick or anything, but she's just not well. Check out this sad face. Oh, oh, bless her. So the reason why I have actually popped to the shop is because Madeline is going to have scrambled eggs on toast for her tea, followed by a nice hot shower, and then straight to bed. And in order for me to make scrambled eggs, I need to get some more. So I'm just going to go and do that now, and then we're going to go back home. So it's another restful night for Madeline, hopefully. And tomorrow, fingers crossed, just feeling totally back on the ball. I've just made some what I call breakfast muffins. There's cauliflower rice, 6 small eggs or 10 medium eggs, some cheese and some parsley in them. And so basically, if you're following SP, so doing speed days, you're getting your half protein, your half speed in there with each of them. I normally have these for breakfast, and then have some fruit as well. But can you see like how much they've risen? Look at them. They don't normally rise that much. I'm not really sure what's happened there, but I'm sure they'll be absolutely amazing. But yeah, if anybody wants a recipe, just let me know and I'll pass it on. They're basically just like having a little crustless quiche. Really good. Somebody might be feeling a little bit better. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Oh, we're falling! Oh! Whoa! Oh! The minion saved us!
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah! Are you excited? I've just come into the conservatory to find out what on earth this noise was. Can you hear it? It's hailstoning! Can you believe it? It's absolutely crazy. You can't really tell when you look out these windows, but I'll go and take out the front and you can see out there like, oh my god, how bad's that? It's like the 2nd of May and it's hailstoning. I mean, that's crazy. Right, I'll turn the camera around so you can see. Okay, I still don't really think looking out the porch is doing it justice. We're just sitting here at the front door. Yep. It's more starting to fall asleep now rather than hailstones, but oh my god, how bad's that? It's awful. Welcome to the summer, guys. You're going to love it. Oh no. Good evening, everybody. Well, first of all, I just wanted to apologise for how tired I looked on last night's video. The last video, my eyes were just like half asleep. Thinking maybe the time with Freddie getting up and down at night is clearly taking its toll on me at the minute. And also that I said that the refillable popcorn bucket from Island of Adventures was €7. Obviously it was $7, so thank you to whoever pointed that out to me. I think I've just got euros on the brain at the minute.
So yeah, I had a better day today. Madeline's went to school. She said although she was feeling better, she wasn't 100%, so she didn't end up going to a club for guys to do rehearsal after school, but that's okay. Like, she was feeling better, so as the night went on, I'm guessing it was just the aftermath of sort of not feeling so well. So yeah, we've been to toddler group this morning with Freddie. So Freddie's seen his friend. I've met my friend there. Had a coffee and catch up, and then I've been at home after that, and I've actually been trying to get some decluttering done in the house because I feel like the house is taking over me at the minute. The house hasn't put me in the best of moods. I love the house. I love the fact that me and Jason have bought this house together, and we've actually been here 3 years this month. That also does scare me at the lack of things that I've actually done the house to make it our own. So I'm actually starting to seriously declutter now. I've gotten uncanny today. I've got some items ready for the charity shop, which I was going to take earlier, but Madeline just wanted to come straight home from school, so that's what we did. Yeah, so I'm just chilling for a bit. I'm probably going to catch up on a few programmes. Me and Madeline just watched Dance Moms before she did go up for an earlier night tonight. Tomorrow is Slimming World, fingers crossed. That I've had a loss because I've been good, so it'll be nice to be rewarded with that. Although I did lose £3.5 last week, and I'm worried that I'm just going to maintain this week. But I have tried really hard, so a loss would be good. Then I'm going to take Freddie to Jason's nana. So Freddie's great nanas, because I'm going to get my lashes infilled. So it'll be nice to see Nana as well tomorrow. And then I'm not sure what else I've got planned for the rest of the day. So I hope everybody's had a good Wednesday, and I shall catch up with everybody here same time tomorrow. So good night.